Ousted former AIADMK chief VK Sasikala's sudden announcement on Wednesday night that she will step aside from politics and public life clearly means advantage to AIADMK and a setback to her nephew and Amma Makkal Munnetra Kadagam leader TTV Dinakaran. In a press release last evening, Sasikala, the closest aide of the late former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, did not refer to herself as AIADMK General Secretary, contrary to TTV Dinakaran's claims. He has in fact said that Sasikala and he intended to contest her sacking from the AIADMK post legally. Sasikala has now clearly taken the moral high ground, not just saying that she will stay away from politics but also praying for the AIADMK to retain power in the April 6 election. The Election Commission of India on Wednesday directed all petrol pump dealers and other agencies to remove hoardings and advertising of central government schemes that carry photographs of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from the premises of the facilities within 72 hours, an official has said. The use of the Prime Minister's photograph in such hoardings violates the Model Code of Conduct, the official of the West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer said. Earlier in the day, the Trinamool Congress delegation met ECI officials and alleged that the use of PM Modi's photographs in hoardings informing people of various central schemes violates the poll code. In a grisly incident, a man allegedly beheaded his 17-year-old daughter in Uttar Pradesh's Hardoi district on Wednesday evening and then went to a police station with her severed head. The accused disclosed that he took the step in a fit of rage after seeing his daughter in an objectionable position. Sarvesh beheaded his daughter with a sharp-edged weapon at Panditara village and started walking towards a police station with her severed head, triggering panic in the area. According to a report by NDTV, the man on video admitted to beheading his daughter because he was unhappy with her relationship with a man. Coronavirus vaccine Covaxin is 81% effective in preventing COVID-19 and can work against the UK variant of the virus, Bharat Biotech said on Wednesday as it revealed the first interim analysis of Phase 3 trial results for a vaccine cleared in January amid concerns over safety and efficacy. The company said its initial analysis was based on 43 trial participants getting coronavirus, of whom 36 had not received the vaccine. Interim analysis also showed that severe, serious and medically attended adverse events occurred at low levels and were balanced between vaccine and placebo groups, Bharat Biotech has said. The company also said it planned further interim analysis for 87 cases and a final analysis for 130. This data has yet to be peer-reviewed. 3 underground tunnels will link the new residence of Prime Minister, Vice President's house and the chamber of the MPs to the new Parliament building, which is currently under construction. The tunnels are aimed at ensuring less disruptive security protocols for VVIPs like the Prime Minister and Vice President than when the procession move in and out of the complex, the Times of India has reported. The tunnels built underground will make VIP movement easier. They are likely to be single lane and golf carts can be used to reach the Parliament. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, Our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.